guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Beth, and today I am going to show you a new, something, Cry's Art Gallery. It's half pans of paint. Let's open this up and take a look. These are handmade in Germany. Their watercolors are graded according to traditional recipes of raw materials, raw pigments, gum arabic, local honey, and rosemary essential oils. They are supposed to have a scent. Honey watercolors, natural and fresh. It's got the little tab on there if you want to hold it like a professional. Silica. All right, and we have 6, 12, and they are, of course, individually wrapped, which is going to cause me problems. Let's actually put it where you can see it. And okay, I will unwrap these. This one's already halfway out. Diamond deep purple. Let's do a little swatch card. Back in you go. Let's cut this puppy up or fold it or something. Okay. I'm going to make a little chart here so I know what colors go where. Hopefully I'll be able to keep this little sticker. Yep. Okay. Getting these things off was a job and a half. All right, we have golden glitter green, elf pink, gold, mermaid, gold red, golden rose, diamond deep purple, pistachio blue, peacock diamond blue, peacock green gold, diamond purple, lavender, and blue gold. So let's do a quick swatch on these and take a look at them. Golden glitter green. Yep. Elf pink gold. Looks more purple than gold, or pink rather, but hey, you know. Mermaid. Gold red. Definitely red there. Golden rose. Diamond deep purple. Blue gold. That one's true to its name. Lavender. Diamond purple. Peacock green gold. Very bright. Peacock diamond blue. Not surprised, they're pretty close. And pistachio blue. There we go. That's everything. They are pretty. Sound true to the name, and it's a good variety of colors. From greens and blues to golds and purple. Yeah, good set. All right, guys, that's everything. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.